glorious morning. It's crazy. Just a nice couple days ago, and now back to cold weather. Gonna talk about how you can flip if you get into flipping houses and you on a tight budget. I'm gonna show you a couple things you could do to save money. It's gonna take a little bit of work, but it's worth it because you can save a couple $1,000s at least by checking out places like Marketplace, OfferUp, Craigslist, even Amazon. Sometimes be having stuff a whole lot cheaper. I done bought stuff from Amazon that was in Home Depot. It was like half the price. So sometimes you gotta put it together though, but still, you're saving money. Can't be lazy. Estate sales, stuff like that. But I'm gonna show you right quick what I'm talking about and how to save money on your first flip instead of just cashing everything out at Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards, and stuff like that. You ain't gonna find everything you need, but you can find a lot of stuff like paint, tile, vanities, carpet, if you need carpet, stuff like that. So first we gonna check out Facebook Marketplace and see what they got for ceramic tile. Okay, we got let's see right here, $15, Detroit. I try to keep it within like 30 miles. I ain't trying to be driving too far, but if it's worth it, I'll go a little further. And we need at least 100, I say 100 square foot to start off with, because most Detroit bathrooms, they're about 60 to 70 square foot for a typical Detroit bathroom for the floor, and then for the wall, if you're gonna do the walls, it's about another, 70 square foot or so to 100 maybe. But we got this guy got some, he says white, she says this is a woman, white marble, but that's not marble, that's just porcelain tile that looks like marble. And those are decent, but we need, like I said, about 70 square foot, 70 square foot for the floor, and 100 for wall. So if you're just doing the floor, which I would just start off just doing the floors, and so just get 100 square feet, because you never know if you run out or something break. You don't want to, run the risk of not having it anymore and they don't sell it in the store because it's discontinued. So just get 100 square feet just to be safe. Then we can go on over to Craigslist. Same thing, type in ceramic tile. Then okay, so this looks like a store that's selling tile. I usually don't be having much deals, or if they do, it's like the very, very cheap stuff nobody wants. It says 75 cents per square feet, but you get there, it ain't nothing like they say. I prefer to just stick with like regular people as opposed to stores. It depends though. Okay, so now this looks like marble from the picture anyway. I think that's marble, which is probably gonna be expensive. How much? Oh yeah, he wants $16.50. Yeah, that ain't gonna happen. Then it's 3x6. Those are too small, and that's a whole lot of money. And it's only 75 square feet. So $1,600. No, that's crazy. We can shoot on over to OfferUp. Same thing. Type in ceramic tile. See what this is. Now, I'm not a fan of these long tiles that look like wood, but some people are. And this is 13 square foot, 9 for the case, 54. Okay, so you got 28 cases, and it's 13 square foot, so it's definitely over 100 square feet. 365 square feet. Boom. Check that off. And how much you asking? $600. Now that's a deal. I don't even like that kind of tile, but I buy it just cause that's a heck of a price, man. That's like 60 cents a foot, I think, close to 7. But I would buy that just cause and use it You could probably do 4 or 5 bathrooms with that. 365 square feet, about 6 bathrooms actually. So yeah, that's a heck of a deal right there. Jump on that one. Definitely way cheaper than it is in the store. That tile in the store is like $250. Easy. We can do the same thing for vanities or paint. Let's look up some paint. Paint, same thing. I'm on Marketplace. It says $5 a gallon, which is extremely cheap. But I see that it's colored already. It's very rare you find white paint, which is what you really need is white, so you can go get your color that you prefer. If it's like a cream or a gray, very light cream or gray, I grab it. Or if it's a gallon of some colored paint that I could use for accent wall, I grab that. But I'll be looking for the 5 gallons of white. And what we got here, now this looks like somebody with a warehouse, a store. It look like a store, but it says 65 gallons for $60. And then gallons for $12. Where is this at? Owasso, Michigan. I think that's about an hour away from me. But shoot, for $60 for 5 gallons, that's worth the drive. That's definitely worth the drive. Grab about 10 5-gallon buckets. For sure, that's worth the drive. I would call first though to make sure they got see if it's white or if it's already tinted. Then same thing, offer up, look at the paint. Just basically repeat the same thing on each website. Marketplace, offer up, Craigslist. I go looking for everything first before I hit the store. See what I can find that I don't got to spend full price for. And then you could also look up vanities. I done bought plenty of vanities from Marketplace. You could definitely find some nice vanities like this one. $200. That look like a real marble countertop. It is definitely a real marble countertop. It's a 36 inch, I think. Man, I don't know. 30 inch. That's definitely worth $200. And another place you could find good deals is Habitat Restore. I get a lot of stuff from here. A lot of stuff. It's not many left as it used to be. This is over here. This particular one is on 21 and Van Dyke. 22 or 20. Between 21 and 22 Mile on Van Dyke. And all the lights in the store is 50% off. Like this light right here. That's like a $200 light. Easy. They're selling it for $25. It's marked as 50, but it's 25% off. Got a laundry tub. They're like $60 at Home Depot. This one's $25. Granite or marble top vanities. I think they selling them for $200. Easily $700 in the store. It's a little outdated, but light bulbs. $5. They like $15 in the store. This is an 8-pack. Easily $15 in the store. Paint buckets, I believe, is $5 bucket that they are already tinted. And you got another vintage looking vanity. This ain't cheap though. Brand new. It ain't cheap. It's kind of old school though. If you're into that. And I think all the grout is $5. These bags, I believe, is $20 a bag, if I'm not mistaken, at Lowe's. Could be $15 and $20. All these windows, super cheap. This big window right here, 48 by 48. They're selling it for $200. That window easily $600-700 in the store. It's a big window, double pane. Got this kitchen set, 21 pieces, mahogany wood. That's a lot of cabinets though. You could do about 4 houses with all those cabinets. They selling for $27.50, and I believe it's 50% off. So it's $13.75, I believe. That's a lot of cabinets though, for $13.75. And so I ended up grabbing some lights. Each light was $5, except for this little twisty light. I think that one was like $9. And then the laundry tub was $20. Actually, the laundry tub was 25% off. I think I paid like $15 for the laundry tub. Altogether, it was like $55. And a lot of times, say you on there and you see some stuff you don't need, but it's a heck of a deal.
Shoot, just grab it anyway. Stack up if you plan on doing this for real. Man, if it's a deal and I know it's a deal, because I know the prices of a lot of stuff already, I just grab it and save it until I do need it. Because you ain't gonna need everything. Because it's been plenty of times I've seen tile, a lot more tile than I needed. For example, I bought this tile from a guy I found him on Craigslist. It was like 600 square feet of tile. He was like, man, just give me $200. I just need it out of my garage to make more room. I had to drive like 45 minutes though to go pick it up, but hey, it was worth it. And it was nice tile, it was travertine actually. And I didn't need it at the time, but it sat in the garage. I eventually ended up just using it for my own house. You can also save money, like if you got a small budget, you can buy the house on land contract. And I show you what I mean. If you don't know what land contract means, it's basically the owner is financing the property for you. The owner gonna be the bank for you. So the benefit of that is obviously you ain't gotta go through a traditional mortgage company or finance company. So there's less paperwork. Usually they're not checking credit. They just want to see that you got a job. And only downside is that usually the down payment is like 20-30%, but sometimes you can negotiate all that. You can negotiate the down payment, and if they want 20, be like, I got 15% down. They usually gonna take, especially if it's a house that's been sitting on the market a while, they're gonna usually take it. You can negotiate everything. You can negotiate the down payment, you can negotiate the monthly payment, how long the terms are, all that. And that's the way you can save money. So if it's a house $50,000 and they willing to do land contract, 20% down, you know what I'm saying, that's $10,000. So now, whatever monies you got saved up, you can use that for your renovation. So here we about to show you how to find land contract properties online through Zillow. Zillow is the most known real estate platform, so we're gonna just use them. Basically just go what area you want to go in. We're gonna just use Detroit because I do most flips in Detroit. Type in your criteria, you know how I do, 3-bedroom, like 1,000 to 1,500 square feet, single family or multi-family property. And once you do that, then you go down to where it says keywords and you type in land contract. Now it's going to basically bring up any listing that has land contract in the description. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Terms here. It says investors opportunity financial. It says land contract only, which is something you don't see every day. But it doesn't really give the terms, but that's when you can save, write down the contact person's information, keep it moving, go to the next one. So land contract available. Let's see if they got any terms. Let's see. Yep, 12. Okay, no. What's it say? Make crash it corner. Yeah, it says $60,000 land contract price with $30,000 down, 0% interest, and $1,000 a month. Jesus, they're trying to get 360 over 30 years. They're trying to get 360,000 out you. That's crazy. But it's a 30-year. I don't know why you shouldn't do that. Because you're paying $1,000 a month. That's $12,000 a year. The house should be paid off in 5 years. But they're doing a 30-year, so it's a horrible contract. But you get my point. It's a land contract nevertheless. But like I said, you can negotiate it. Ain't no way in heck you should be giving them 360 months, 30 years for the $50,000, $60,000 house. That's crazy. $50,000. Yeah. Let's see what their contract terms is. Land contract available. Schedule showing today, so you can write down that information, see what their terms are, and put on your negotiating hat. But this is a decent house. It looks straight, but it's definitely something something wrong. It's probably gonna be a lot of money to fix up, but it says the properties in that area is going for $200,000, so it's probably gonna take $100,000 to renovate. Looking at it, it's a big house, so it's gonna take a pretty penny. That's why it ain't sold yet. Need a roof, need windows, brick falling apart on the front. That's a big project. I wouldn't buy it though. You got one right here for $59,900. So basically $60,000. Land contract terms, $30,000 down, 7.9% interest, $585 a month for 5 years. Now that's a good contract for 5 years. And it doesn't mention a balloon payment, but I don't think you should have one, because if you're paying $600 a month, which is $7,200 a year, close to $7,200 a year, but minus the interest, you're probably paying like $5,000 a year. It's got yeah, that should be paid off in the 5 years, because you're getting $30,000 now. So that's a decent contract, but it doesn't matter, because you shouldn't keep it for 5 years. You're flipping it. You should only have it for, at the most 6 months. If that's if your crew is extremely slow. Okay, so that's about all I got for today. So take notes on whatever I said, and go out there and see what you can do, and let's get to flipping.